Okay, here we have an ice maker for a SubZero. This is a 6-prong for the newer series. And this arm, well, the rudder is broken because somebody put something in the ice tray and bent the arm up, and now it doesn't work. So I want to show you how to take this arm out, because you don't have to change the whole ice maker to take that arm out of there. It's a fairly simple thing to do. It's a little time consuming, but this just comes apart. I believe this is for a 600 series, or maybe could be a 700, 736. You can see the hole on the side there, so it's probably a 700 series or 600. We'll see. Okay, so you pull this out and it exposes all your guts. Now you see the arm right here. You got to take this little spring here. Let's loosen this up a little bit. Get that out of the way. Right there. Don't lose it. Then you take the arm and you twist it. I haven't done one of these in a while. Okay, so now you see how this arm is bent up. It's really hard to get it back. But you just twist it, bring it through like that, and work it around. There it is. You put the new one in the same way. Now I don't have a new one with me. I'll have to order it or get one off another machine. But to put it back in, you start here and you work your way in. Down, turn it. Okay. And that's how it's done. And what holds this in place is just sits on against the wall there, and when you put the cover, the lid back on, the mechanism like this, it sits right into that hole right there. And that's what gives the arm the spring action. But you also have to line up the fingers so they go into the proper receptacle there. There, okay. Now, where's the spring? The spring popped out. So you put the spring on. Now, if you've never done this before, it could be tedious, tricky. I haven't done it in a while. So you want that to push the arm down. That's what that spring is for. So this has to sit on top of this gear. Alright, so this piece is to come out of that hole right there. You gotta find it. There it is. Okay? And you put the screws back in, and you're done. I'm not sure if you can get these ice maker arms separate. I used to be able to buy them separately, but you have to check with SubZero. But it's good to know how to change that, because sometimes if you can't get a part, you need to go through the scrap, see if you have anything laying around. And I happen to have this ice maker laying around because the rudder was broken, and I changed the ice maker, and I didn't throw the old one away because just because it needs an arm. So I could change the arm, get one from another ice maker that I have laying around, and then put it, I won't sell it, but I'll put it in one of our shop refrigerators. Okay, that's it.